As the energy transition accelerates, companies are increasingly adopting greener, more sustainable energy solutions. A clear example is the rapid growth of the EV industry. Permanent magnet synchronous motors have become the preferred choice for manufacturers due to their superior efficiency, ease of production, and high torque-to-power density. However, questions about their long-term reliability have surfaced. One potential issue in this type of high-powered electric motor is the bearings, which can suffer from a problem known as bearing fluting. The resulting wear pattern leads to excessive vibrations and can ultimately cause premature bearing failure. Ehrlich & Metco's dielectric coating solutions provide effective protection against fluting. Especially in electric vehicle EV applications, the plasma-sprayed Amdry 6060 coating combined with the Metcoseal LP-20 sealer are recommended. By combining the Amdry 6060 aluminium oxide coating with a high solids impregnating Metcoseal LP-20 sealer, excellent stable dielectric performance is achieved, even at high humidity. Case studies have demonstrated that this coating solution not only meets all required specifications, but exceeds them with a significant margin. This makes it a reliable and durable solution for electric insulation, even in demanding conditions. Ehrlich & Metco's dielectric coatings can be applied using the high-throughput Simplex Pro plasma spray guns. With a lifetime of up to 400 hours between rebuilds, highest productivity and constant quality are assured. As part of a complete coating solution, Ehrlich & Metco offers a wide range of handling and automation options. This allows the coating booth to be paired with various sealer application methods, such as spraying, dipping, or brushing. With the new Multicoat 5 controller platform, customers gain access to advanced features like AI-driven predictive maintenance and IoT connectivity. Machine data is stored in a secure proprietary database, ensuring high standards of data safety and integrity. Ehrlich & Metco delivers complete solutions in materials, equipment, and applications, ensuring reliable and efficient electric vehicle performance for the future.